guys, welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing the ultimate woodwork challenge, because it's the woodwork challenge but ultimate. Ooh. Basically we're going to be hitting the right post, the crossbar and the left post, and once I do it I'll win basically. But yeah, let's go. We're going to try and hit the left post first. Oh, first time. Right, so I hit the left post first, so now I'm going to go onto the right post. Hopefully I can get it first time as well. Oh, you said this was going to be a long day. Right, now it's time for the supposedly the easiest one of them all, the crossbar. So let's see what I can do. I mean, I hit it. Well, that was a quick video, so I'm just going to try and hit them as many times as possible for like the next 5 minutes, otherwise it's going to be very unentertaining. First again. Right, I'm going to go for the crossbar this time. No look. Right, first. Well, that didn't get fun.
Oh, Jack.
Right. This is why West Ham didn't scout me. Oh! Right, guys. And now,
Don't do that. Don't do that.
I'm doing it.
Don't. You look like a spaz.
Then fair fucking play.
Go on then.
Right, guys. And because I hit them really early, I haven't hit them since because I'm shit. So what we're gonna do is hit the final ultimate crossbar, and then that's it. So crossbar. Cut that. Crossbar. Final crossbar. James, I know you're watching this, so don't include any of the shit edits. Cheers. Thank you. Final crossbar! If I hit the crossbar now, I will give £1,000 to the subscriber that I choose. This is it, all or nothing. If I hit the crossbar now, a subscriber gets 100 British pounds. Rebound shot for 200 quid. crossbar challenge. So if I hit that crossbar one more time, a random subscriber will get a PS5. Oh! Oh! Rebound for the same prize. Ah! We're not going to count that. Ultimate crossbar challenge! If I hit it, you get a PS5. Ultimate crossbar challenge. If I hit it, this video ends, and one of you, yes you, will win something brilliant. Ish. Yeah! Yeah! Right, that was it. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, comment if you want. In a bit.